What the happened?
That's what was weird. I kept going for the foot brake on this.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I saw you reach for it when you first. I knew you were gonna have a big smile on. I told you.
Yeah, there you go.
So which one?
Red, you know what I mean? And with the new black plastics on it, that thing.
What's that?
Candy red frame on that thing.
For beans.
He was waiting, weren't he?
Could you do that though? Mount that
Yeah.
here, like facing straight up, with the buttons are, you know what I mean, right here.
I probably got like
And that way you can slide the brake, this thing. Let's try that when you get back.
Am I good to go?
Yeah.
There's just, I don't know if there's no neutral.
No.
Yeah, you're on. You're
Off,
live.
off is red, that's it.
Yeah.
Okay.
You're live.
Front, rear.
Yep.
Front
to the right, rear to the left. The foot brake does not work.
Does nothing.
Yeah.
The suspension is a little,
Yeah.
That's what I said. It needs new suspension.
It pulls so good, man. Yeah.
How was this? Fun?
No.
Mode 3 fast?
No, it's terrible. No, she's good, man. She cut out, she stopped on me. I had to turn it on and off. I had nothing. I don't know why.
Maybe voltage in the 3, maybe not enough.
I had it all the way down. That was it. And then I turned it on and off. And then
I think it's good.
Yeah.
I gotta look into it.
Yeah, because it was doing, it was nothing.
Maybe heated up the, what do you call it?
Is that like that normal? Like normal?
Yeah, I did that.
Okay. No,
Yo, this is the 72 volt quad review. Alright. We are in somewhere in PA, like Dornside, PA or something. Oh, look, Kev James coming in hot, jeez. I know, yeah. I really can't do like a speed test, I don't have a speedometer. And it's cold, it is cold. It's like 45 degrees outside right now. I'm just in a hoodie. Just ripping this thing. What the happened? Oh, I don't know.
What happened?
It just like locked up on me. Guess the motor fried up. Something. Alright, yo, good looking again.